home study course and the 3-day fast track?
Oof, you know, the home study course is an amazing starter course. It's online, it's go at your own pace. You could take it as many times as you want or need, and it's going to give you a really great grasp of if this is a good fit for you or not. The 3-day fast track, that's like getting those behind, the scenes tickets to the Chris Brown concert, okay? He's taking your prom photo with you. You are getting to meet and greet with the team. You are having so much fun, networking, partying, lunches, dinners, cocktail hours, cigars. We're playing cash flow, and the education is above and beyond. I'm your lead educator, but then there's other people, our team members who were past students who went through the training, they got their care homes up and running, and now they're back to teach and train you. They give 10 additional sections that are not included in the online home study course, and it's a one-time event. It's in Phoenix, Arizona. It's hot out here, baby, but we make it a lot of fun, okay? So make sure that, you're really determining which one is the right fit for you. Are you just trying to dip your toes and kind of just suss it out? Is this a good fit, or are you ready to go all in? You need all the information that you need to get your care home up and running. That's really going to help you determine which one's the better fit for you.